The sweet enemy. The role of fructose in gout and foods to avoid to prevent flare-ups. Fructose is a type of sugar that is commonly found in many processed foods and drinks, such as soda, juice, and candy. It is also found in some natural foods, such as fruit and honey. When we consume fructose, our body breaks it down into uric acid, which can then build up in the joints and cause gout flare-ups. So, what foods should you avoid if you have gout? Here are some of the top offenders. Soda and other sugary drinks. Soda is one of the worst things you can consume if you have gout. It is high in both fructose and sugar, both of which can increase your risk of developing gout and exacerbate existing symptoms. Other sugary drinks, such as fruit juice and sweetened tea, should also be avoided. Processed foods. Many processed foods are high in fructose, including packaged snacks, candy, and desserts. These foods are often loaded with sugar and other additives that can trigger gout flare-ups. High fructose fruits. While most fruits are healthy and beneficial, some are high in fructose and should be consumed in moderation if you have gout. These fruits include mangoes, pineapples, grapes, and bananas. Honey and agave nectar. Honey and agave nectar are often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar, but they are still high in fructose and should be consumed in moderation if you have gout. Alcohol. Alcohol is known to increase uric acid levels in the body, making it a major risk factor for gout. Beer, in particular, is high in purines, which are metabolized into uric acid, and should be avoided if you have gout. So, what should you eat if you have gout? Here are some gout-friendly foods to include in your diet. Low fructose fruits. While some fruits are high in fructose, others are low and can be safely consumed if you have gout. These include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and cherries. Vegetables. Most vegetables are low in fructose and can be eaten in abundance if you have gout. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are especially beneficial. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, are a good source of fiber and nutrients and can help reduce the risk of gout flare-ups. Lean protein. While some types of meat, such as red meat and organ meats, are high in purines and should be avoided, lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu are safe to consume in moderation. In conclusion, if you have gout, it's important to be mindful of your fructose intake and avoid foods that are high in this sugar. By choosing gout-friendly foods and limiting your consumption of fructose-rich foods and drinks, you can help prevent flare-ups and manage your symptoms effectively. Consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the best dietary plan to manage your gout. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.